Gameplay. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking for good industries to invest in over the long term. There's not much at the moment, so I feel like it'd just be probably better to hold on to some cash and wait until opportunities come up, because there's not much at the moment. There's short-term industries like precious metals and mining that we could perhaps short, especially if they have like a high debt to equity. Like this will actually be a pretty decent one to short, but they have a return on their capital, which makes things not super duper good. But yeah, we could perhaps short this one. I don't know whether or not I can short it or not. Might want to give it a shot. You can do futures, options. I'll try so when you buy a call you want it to go up, when you sell a call you want it to go down. So we're gonna sell a call option for a strike of 8. We're just gonna take a bit of a high risk. And we'll do it for $1.56 a premium. Yeah, so we're just going to take a bit of a high risk strategy when it comes to this. Like, I'm going to sell a call. This could burn us, but I feel like that could actually make us a little bit of extra money. Make a little bit of extra premium along the way, and we can use the premium towards a lot of things. But it could burn us. But yeah, I have it saved and stuff, so we sold a call, so we're betting that the stock is going to go down. That way we can buy it back at a lower price. And when you buy a call, you want it to go up. And when you buy a put, you want it to go down, I believe. And when you sell a put, you want it to go down, I believe. No, you want it to go up. Yep. So I'm not super duper good at options, but yeah, we have a current value of 209,000. Not super duper good at this whole options thing. So the exercise price is $8, and the current price is $8.34. My mistake. So right now we're out of the money by 34 cents a share. So we actually are losing money off this contract, I assume. So I'm hoping that they have a shitty quarter and they lose a lot. Because the industry right now is great, but I feel like over the long term it'll be bad. So that's why we sold so much of a call on them. So I'm hoping that it falls down a bunch and we can... Yeah, when does it expire? Yeah, so I feel like we made money off of it. I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm not sure on how this works. I think we received premium. I'm not too sure. But I feel like we're making money off of it just because we sold a call. Yeah, so I think when you sell a call, you make money off of it. So hopefully it doesn't burn us in the process. I think our money is actually growing. Yeah, it blew up a little bit. And I'm guessing it's either because of the stocks or because of the options contract we have. I'm not too sure if we're going to make money off this or not. We might lose money off of it, but I feel like it'd be a great learning experience because I'm not that great when it comes to like options and stuff. But hey, we could make a decent profit or we could lose a lot. But I feel like it was a good it's having a slight recovery, but I feel like it might keep going down. So it'll be good for us. I'm just trying to hold some limbo money while I'm waiting for an opportunity to find in the market right now. Like right now, there's not much good options. Advertising doesn't look super bad. We have what's bio? Biotech is actually coming back, so it wouldn't be a good long-term buy. CISO again doesn't look bad. CISO is probably the only good opportunity I see right now. I'm gonna wait a little bit until the options contract is here, because I'll probably need some cash to be able to buy the shares back. So I guess we'll have to own a mining company. Worst case is if it goes above our strike. So I think we have the right now is we're giving people the right to buy our shares at $8 a share. So we're gonna give people the right to buy $8 a share, and we're gonna be able to we're gonna be able to buy them for $4, and so we're gonna be able to sell them for $8. So as long as it doesn't go above 8, I believe we're gonna be doing fine. As I said, I'm not super duper good at when it comes to options terminology. I'm trying to get better at it. But right now, I feel like we are in the money when it comes to the whole contract. Yeah, so we have a strike price of 8. And I think we sold a call. So that means that we're betting that it's going to go down. So I assume that we're going to make a profit off this options contract. Worst case scenario, we don't. It could burn me, but I feel like that'd be okay. Yeah, the big, not as bad as the loss, but they're still losing money. Yeah, I feel like the mining industry. Oh, the industry is actually quite on fire right now. They're not doing super well. I feel like they're almost in default or something. They're still a C. They were triple C when I bought them. But yeah, I feel like I don't know when our contract expires. We gotta check that. It expires fourth month, 2076. And it's currently 2025. So they're coming back. Yeah. The industry right now is on fire, so kind of regret buying a call, but I didn't know that the industry was going to go back up. I thought it was going to fall. We might get burned for this call option, but I'm just finding something to do at the moment. Yeah, it's grown in value. I feel like we actually are losing money off this call. And of course, we have our main portfolio. I've been focusing too much time on this whole call option thing. But yeah, I don't know how much it will cost us to buy it, especially if the price keeps going up. So I'm probably just going to keep some cash. Rates right now, they're not the greatest. Should have bought some bonds. I've been kind of focusing on this whole option thing. Yeah, I'm just betting that the price is going to go down continuously. But I could be wrong. Like I learned in that unit, when it came to like options is basically a zero-sum game. What you do is, when it comes to options, is basically you're betting that one person's betting on one side and the other person's betting on the other side. Basically, I'm betting that the stock is going to go down. I could theoretically be wrong, or the other guy could be right. So if he's right, he makes money. If I'm wrong, if he's right, I lose money. If I'm wrong, I lose money. So it's not like when you buy a stock or sell a stock. When you're buying a stock or selling a stock, someone's willingly buying it for you. Like, the one person who's selling to you actually wants the money right now, and the one person that's buying it feels like it's going to grow in value. So it's almost a two people win in that scenario. But when it comes to options, I could either win big or I could lose big. I'm not winning by buying these calls and puts. The reason why I like selling is that you also receive the premium. You don't have to pay the premium. So I like the premium as like a bit of a way of investing. I could have used it towards investing. But I'm trying to slowly grow my wealth right now at the moment. I could probably invest the premium. Our net worth chart is all over the place because of this whole options contract, but I feel like it might work out for us. Especially if it stays around $4 to $5. But yeah, we're growing our wealth slowly over time. I'm going to start looking for industries to buy into. Biotech is looking much better, so we're actually going to enter. It's a bit bad right now. Oh, yikes. CISO's in the 300s. Okay. This is Amgen. This looks good. Double the book value. The industry right now is crap, but I feel like it could be better. I don't know how much this call option would cost me. That's the problem. I could probably buy a call, and I think that would just cancel it out, but I'm not entirely sure. Again, that's a thing I kind of learned in the course. But yeah, I feel like Amgen would be a good buy right now at the moment. So yeah, the industry right now is garbage, but I feel like over the long term, it's supposed to be in 15%. So we're gonna buy Amgen. It's a bit overpriced. But yeah, that's the problem with biotech, is you're kind of buying into like the whole hype of the industry. So I'll probably buy so we have about $300,000. I'll put like $25,000 into it. See what happens. I want to have some liquid cash though, just in case the odd chance that we have to pay back a large amount for that thing. Worst case scenario, we'll make our Amgen basically our long-term holding. So we have quite a bit of cash, I still believe. Yeah, we do. And I feel like our options contract is actually going to make us some money. So that's good news. What I'm going to do is I'm going to buy it back for at $5 or $6. And then I'm going to sell it for $8 because we're giving the people the right to buy at $8. So we're going to make like a $2 profit at the moment. Or about $1.60. Okay, Amgen I feel like might be a sell. But then again, the industry is coming back. And yeah, this is their first quarter. They made 50 cents. I feel like they're going to beat the market this year. So Amgen's pretty good. The problem with biotech is they're mostly unprofitable. Oh, how you exercise? Exercise options. Yes. Yeah, I feel like if you don't exercise the option, you actually lose money. So I'm going to put that on and exercise the option at $6. Amgen raises dividend. 61 cents this quarter is spectacular. Versus 31 cents. So they're actually booming. So I feel like Amgen might be a decent sell at the moment. But at the same time, I feel like the industry is coming back. Which is good news. It's at 5 right now, so I feel like it'd actually be a good time to buy a little bit more of Amgen, but at the same time, they're a bit expensive at the moment. So I'm probably just going to hold on to them. I also like to do some corporate bonds too, perhaps. And market plunge. That's some good news, actually, because I feel like that'll make our option a lot better. That's the good thing about options, is if you sell calls, that basically means that you're betting that the stock is going to go down. And when you're betting that it's going to go down, it can offer a bit of hedge. So you can bet like that shitty industries, like mining, for example, and if there's going to be a recession, that if you bet against it and bet it's going to go down, you can actually make a ton of money. Basically, wait, do we have the company? Wait, so if we clear this, what happened to that? I feel like we might have exercised the option. I'm unsure. I'm very, very new to options. Even when it comes to Wall Street Radar, I barely touched them. I only touched them a few times. But I feel like our network chart is okay, so we haven't got hurt by that. I don't know what happened. I'm kind of unsure what happened to the options. We might have made a profit off that contract. I'm not entirely sure, because I'm pretty brand new when it comes to the whole option game entirely. I think Amgen is a bit of a buy. I'm just going to check out the report. It's a sell. Industry right now is bad. 19 times earnings. It's a bit expensive, so I might just wait until Amgen falls a little bit more. The industry is getting a little bit worse too, I believe. So yeah. We're going to wait until see if it's a better deal, and if it's not 19 times earnings. Like, I feel like that's a bit expensive, 19 times earnings. It's probably a good deal right now. I don't know how much it'll be times earnings right now. It's a good gauge. Like, if it's below 15, typically it's a good buy. If it's above 50, I typically sell, because, I mean, it means you're paying... If they keep the EPS at the same amount each year, that basically means in 50 years you're going to get your money back, basically. So EPS is a great gauge on telling the potential risk and reward of the company. So I feel like Amgen right now is a good buy. So what we're going to do is we're going to buy a lot of Amgen. Take a risk for our life, basically. Yeah. So best case scenario, we make a fuck ton of money. Sorry for the swear word. But worst case scenario, we lose a lot, you know? So I feel like Amgen's a really good buy at the moment. So I bought a ton of margin. Basically taking a large amount of risk for a large amount of reward, potentially. So I'm hoping that the biotech industry makes a comeback. And if they make a comeback, in which they are, I believe. So I'm going to make a ton of money off that thing. Let's get out this one. Okay, and that's going to conclude it for the episode. My apologies. I'm going to make another one, though. And so I hope you guys have a good day. And sorry about the confusion about options and stuff. I'm not super great at that. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.